KFC, the absolute mad lads, have partnered up with Cooler Master to launch an epically delicious gaming console which they are calling the KFConsole. I had to look twice at the date on my computer to make sure it wasn't April 1st, and I can confirm that it isn't. The Twitter account in question is a new branch of KFC called KFC Gaming, and before you ask, yes, it is verified. It looks like this is happening, folks. KFC has an epic gaming console and PC out that you can game, and this is blowing my mind. The KFC console was first teased back in June and caused more motion on social media than a fox entering a chicken coop. Demand, strangely, was high for a console from the long-running fast food chain. And well, here it is. The KFConsole is designed to keep your freshly purchased food piping as you frag foes online. Something which the PS5 and Xbox Series X simply can't do. And that's not all. This bargain bucket-shaped KFConsole can also handle the latest games. The console promises to come with a top-end Intel CPU inside, and Asus hot swappable mini GPU into NVMe 1TB SSD cards from Seagate. With specs like these, you can expect some good gaming chops on this one. Honestly, as cool as all of this sounds, the KFConsole does not have a release date yet, and there is no mention about the price or any specific information about the hardware inside. However, there is a website that is legit gaming power, and it will likely come at a price. The Intel CPU alone is valued at $1,500, so it is entirely realistic that the KFConsole will come in at a price north of $2,000. That's a big price tag for the gaming system, and puts it in a different league from the PS5 and Xbox Series X. No matter what the performance actually ends up being, the KFConsole will be the first and likely only video game player with a built-in chicken warmer. He patented Chicken Chamber. Utilizing the system's natural heat and airflow system, you can now focus on your gameplay and enjoy hot crispy chicken between rounds. One wonders if that's how Cooler Master and KFC will get around the cooling issues of the run-hot tech in this rig. It remains to be seen whether or not you need a piece of chicken in the chamber to make sure everything runs cool. You probably noticed that there's no mention of a disk drive in this thing, so it's probably akin to the digital-only console cousins from Sony and Microsoft. But the fact that the KFConsole has a bunch of easily swappable components, including the chicken, actually gives the off-brand platform a leg up, though at a potential speculative price point of around $2,000, and sure to be a limited supply. This promises to be more of a collector's item than a common console. As CNN reported, Intel said it had nothing to add to details released by Cooler Master or KFC and did not comment on pricing or release date when contacted by CNN. KFC did not immediately respond to a request for comment. Stay tuned. What do you think about this new chicken console? Tell us in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates like this chicken console. Thank you.